Right, it's the 1st of March 2019. Let's have a look at this week's trades of the week. We've got three trading opportunities to have a look through today from the daily chart there. And I'm starting off with the UK 100. That's a FTSE 100 index. And we had a great short trade which started on the 21st of February. And you can see that very clearly with the indicators there turning from green to red, the big sniper disc on the chart there as well. And a nice subsequent fall. Took a couple of days to gather a bit of momentum before falling on and hitting target earlier this week. That was an 88 pip winner, so 88 pip winner, and a nice profit that it was too. We can also see sterling CAD as well, so different strategy this one. This is what we call a continuation trade, and if you just cast your eyes to the left hand side of the screen here and those arrows there, which is denoting the trends that we can see on that market there. So sterling CAD has got a weekly uptrend, a monthly uptrend, and we're resuming that uptrend with those green lines there as well. So there was the buy. Again, a couple of days to sort itself out before accelerating through from the 26th of February there, and that was a nice profit of 131 pips. Still rising, but that's okay. We're happy to take our little pound of flesh out of the middle of that turn, so nice profit indeed. And then finally, the last trade for this week there, having a look at gold, which is a short sniper trading opportunity from the 27th of February. Just a 100-point target on this one. That's $10. It's gone through and hit that target already, so a nice profit before the week is out for 100 points. So all in all there, three trades, 319 pips profit from our end of day trading there. So if you'd like to know more about these strategies and perhaps more about the details of where we place stops, where we place targets, and what we're looking for exactly on the chart, then we can teach you all of those rules at one of our live trading webinars. Now, somewhere on this page, you'll see the ability to register for one of our upcoming live events. Click that link, complete that form, and we'll look forward to seeing you online and teaching you a trading strategy. All the best, and see you next week.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trendsignal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trendsignal website for the latest events and to book your free place.